To customize always on a display on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can go to Settings. Then we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to go to Lock Screen and AOD. Over here you should be able to find Always on Display, so let's go ahead and open this. Now here we should be able to, of course, find a couple of settings that you can manage, like for example you can toggle the lock screen wallpaper. In some cases you can erase the background as well. We can show or hide the now bar, and we can also decide when Always on Display should be shown up. So by default we use tap to show, so when the phone is locked you actually have to tap on the display to show Always on Display, but you can also switch to automatic or always. It's up to you how you want to set it up. And you can also show wallpaper on the cover screen. Besides that, what you can also do is you can go to the themes option in settings, and then here in Galaxy themes you can go to AODs and you should be able to find custom clock and images, custom clocks and custom images that we have available for our phone. So if you want to change the theme a little bit, you can easily do so over here. You can just download any of them, and then you should be able to use them instead of having, for example, the wallpaper. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.